Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add AI agents into your web app. If you're a SaaS vendor or an e-commerce store owner, you can easily embed AI agents into your product and connect them to all of your systems. Your end users can then go in and use natural language to execute on tasks, look up data, and get more work done faster, all within your app. Now, the best part is you don't need any AI expertise or coding skills to get this going. This is all no code, copy paste, and drag and drop. So let's get into it. So in the first part, we're going to take a look at the CRM app. And then in the second part, we're going to use our no-code AI agent builder to build an agent and then connect it to a chat widget in this CRM app. So let's say you have a CRM app like this, and then you want to add a chat widget right here in the bottom right corner and connect it to the AI agent. So now let's take a look how to actually build an agent and then how to add it into this app. So we'll head over to Appmixer, which is our no-code AI agent builder. And there you basically have drag and drop components that you can add into this flow. It all starts with the chat trigger right here. And this is what will connect to the chat widget in the CRM app later on. Then we have the AI agent component here. And that's where you select your L1 provider and model and define the instructions, role, and scope for the AI agent. And then here you define what tools the agent can use to execute on the request it gets. So you can see we have a tool for listing deals from our CRM system, for sending follow-up SMS messages on Twilio, and for creating tasks in ClickUp. But of course, these could be any apps. Anything that has an API can be added here as a tool for the AI agent. So once you've added all the tools for the agent and added in some instructions, it's time to deploy it. So I'll hit Start Flow. And then all I need to connect this agent and all of its tools to the chat widget in the CRM app that I've shown before is to copy this script from the chat trigger component here. And so once I've done that, I can go in to my web app editor. So for the purpose of this demo, I have just a simple CRM template built on Bubble. And I can add in an HTML element here like so, and then copy paste the script. I'll adjust the layout. I want the widget to be in the bottom right corner. And then I'll deploy the changes. For the description, I'll just say added AI agent and confirm that. So now it's deploying the changes to my app. So if I go back to the app, I'll have to refresh the page because I've added a new element into it. And we can see that the chat widget is here. So it's ready to use. It's connected to the agent. So I'll just open it and give it a spin. So find the biggest deal and send a follow-up SMS to the deal owner at, I'll just copy paste my number because I'm just testing it as a demo. So let's see. All right, so I can see that the deal agent has replied that it sent the follow-up SMS on the correct deal and its value, and it's good for delivery. I actually got the SMS already on my phone, so that means it's working. So there you have it. We've added an AI agent into this web application in just a few minutes, and it's connected to all our systems, plug and play. Now your end users can go in and just talk to the agent and get more work done faster. Now, since the widget is now connected to the agent, I can just go back to my builder and adjust the tools and instructions for the agent, whatever you or your users might need. So now I'm excited to hear from you. What kind of agents are you planning to build for your users?